I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain is warmya.co.uk legit or a scam. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question, should I buy from it or not. If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till the end as I will share the way to get your money back. Well, the site sells different varieties of products relating to clothing and accessories, home improvement, sports, outdoors for pets, gifts, toys and tools. Here we can see that they are having huge discounts as well. We can see that they have mentioned their top recommended products and we can see that they are having almost 50 to 60% discount. And the product images are very much wide. They are having various random products as well. Here they have also given their newsletter, and here at the bottom page they have mentioned that they will take Visa, MasterCard, Maestro, etc. as their mode of payment. So now let's move ahead to the shipping. So here they have mentioned that they can process the orders within 2 business days, and it can take around weekends, and then they have here mentioned that they can take around 10 to 20 working days to deliver the order. Now guys, before going any further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. So now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or a legit website. Well, the site is having a valid HTTPS connection, which is a good thing as it will protect your payment methods. Coming to the website age, the website was registered on 21st August 2020, which means it is only 1 month old, which is not a very good thing as new websites never have credibility. So now let's move ahead to other details like about us section. So here we can see that they have given some information regarding the Labu Labu Limited, and they have mentioned that they are the small but cutting edge company dedicated to sourcing and etc. But the information given here is pretty much copied. They are not having any good information like credible or unique information or authentic information, which is a very bad thing. Also, they have not mentioned much regarding the owner's identity that well. The prices are heavily discounted and the payment methods are sufficient. So now let's move ahead to the contact us section. So here in the contact us section, we can see that they have mentioned some of the details regarding the contact us section, and we can see that they are having some errors because while clicking on the contact us section, it has redirected us to here, and they have mentioned that the customer service email ID matches with the website domain, which is a good thing. Also, they have given their company's address as well, which does not look very much good. Here we can see some other details like office hours, etc. Although they are having some maintenance problems as well. Now looking into the social media presence, the site is having very low social media presence. They are only active on Facebook and they are having not many likes, which cannot be counted as a point in their credibility. So now let's check out their returns and refund policy. Here they have mentioned 100% satisfaction guarantee and etc. Here they have mentioned that they are having 14 days of return policy, which is quite fair enough. Also share your reviews regarding the return and refund policy of the website. Now looking into the customer reviews, the site is having no customer reviews whatsoever, and people mostly are suspicious regarding the legitimacy of this website, which is not a very good thing. So now looking into the website content quality, the website content quality also does not look very much good as well, because we can see various copied content, copied images, various errors and poor layout, which is not a very good thing. So guys, giving a final verdict, we currently do not recommend this site to you because it looks like a possible scam to us because the site is very new. It is giving copied content and images, and the trust score index of this website is only 2%. And if you have ever been scammed, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, as we read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. We advise you to be informed and be safe. Thank you and have a nice day.